Good morning, seventh grade. We're going to take a look at page 378, chapter 5, lesson 4 in your book. All right, distributive property. Distributive property just means to multiply. So, first of all, we have to think order operations. Parentheses, do we have those? Sure we do. So we can do that. 8 plus 11 is 19. Now we have to do 19 times -3. And then put your answer here. Now here we have to distribute. Can we combine like terms? Parentheses. Do we have those? Yes. Right? We have parentheses, exponent, multiply, divide, add, subtract. You cannot put these together because that has an X, that has a Y. If they both have the same letter, they can go together, but they don't. So we do -5 times 2x, which is -10x. -5 times 4y, which is -20y. And you're done. 1/5 times g is 1/5 g. And then 1/5 times -10, which is -2. So your final answer would be 1/5 g minus 2. Next problem. A housefly can fly at 6.4 feet per second. At this rate, how far can it fly in 25 seconds? Well, we have 25 seconds. We have to take that times 6.4, right? Because if it was 2 seconds, you could do 6.4 plus 6.4, or 6.4 plus 6.4 plus 6.4 plus 6.4 plus 6.4, 25 times. Again, oh, you heard it, times. It's a lot faster to multiply, and that'll get your answer. And we did use distributive property because we multiplied. Let's take a look at the next page. Page 379. And I'll do some of these together with you. Again, you can do this two ways. You can do 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. Add those two answers. 15, 18, which gives me 33. Or, again, you can combine like terms because they can go together. Well, 5 plus 6 is 11. Then you can do 3 times 11 is 33. Again, we can combine like terms here. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now we do 10 times -12 to get our answer. 9 minus 4 is 5. We can take -6 times 5. Notice how I'm showing my work. And write my answer up here. Next problem. -4, or -6 plus 4 is -2. So do 5 times -2. And write our answer here. 8 minus 1 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. And you can check these on a calculator as well. 5 minus 7 is -2 times 3 gives me my answer of -6. And down here, distribute. Again, same procedures, but see how this has a letter, this doesn't? We cannot add these or subtract these. We cannot combine like terms. We have to multiply 3 times -4x, which is -12x. 3 times 8, which is 24. Same thing on problem 8. You can do that on your own. Number 6, I put the little wooden 1 here. Because again, I don't say to my dog, I don't say, hey dog, come here. No, I say, hey Minnie, right? It has a name, and the 1 is implied. If I said, if there was a whole bunch of dogs running on the street, I would say, hey dogs, right? I'm applying there's more than one. But if there's only one, I could just say, hey, Minnie, right? Or hey, Q, letter Q, right, is being used. So number 1 is implied. Now we can distribute. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times -1q is -6q. That is our final answer. This type of problem, you can rewrite this. if you would like. Or you can just take -7 times d, -7d, -7 times 2, which is 14. If you would like to rewrite the problem, just put the -7 in the front. It does not change your answer. -7 times d, -7d, -7 times 2, -14. Notice how right here, see how I did -7 times d, -7d, -7 times 2 is -14. See how I got in a hurry? I wrote a plus? That's wrong. That's why in math, it's okay to take your time. All right, down here, we want to find the total cost. So it's $6.85 per pound, but you have 4 pounds. So you just do 6.85 times 4. All right, go ahead and finish your assignment 1 through 4, 1 through 14, and that's all you have for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.